In this video, we'll walk through how to add and manage medication for a resident in OasisNotes. For training purposes, we will be entering fictional information for our demo resident. From the main dashboard, select Resident from the left-hand menu. You will now see the resident chart. Scroll down and select Resident Medication. Then click plus Add New to open the Add Resident Medication form. Select the resident from the resident name field. After selecting the resident information will automatically populate. Under Medication Name, enter the prescribed medication. Enter the appropriate refill count. Enter the medication's expiration date. Under Instructions, select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. If the instructions are not listed in the drop-down, you may type the medication instructions manually and press Enter to save them. If additional instructions are required, enter them in the Other Instructions field. Under Provider, enter the prescribing provider's name. Select the administration time. If additional administration times are required, click plus time to add them. Select the appropriate color sequence for the medication. If additional medications need to be entered, click Add Medication. If no additional medications are being entered, click Save. Once saved, the medication will appear in the list under Resident Medication. To make changes to a resident's medication, click the edit icon next to the medication. From there, you may update the medication details, discontinue the medication, or delete the medication as needed. This completes the process for adding and managing a resident's medication. Always ensure entries are accurate and aligned with the physician's order.